Hi everyone! Ahojte! Today in Linguarte we'll teach you the names of fruits and vegetables in the Slovak language. You can find the link in the description where you can download a document with this lesson and practices. Let's start! Začíname! Let's start with the vegetables, called in Slovak zelenina. The most common in Slovakia are potatoes, zemiaky, onion, cibula, garlic, cesnak, lettuce, šalát, cabbage, kapusta, bell pepper, paprika, cauliflower, karfiol, carrot, mrkva, cucumber, uhorka, pumpkin, tekvica, peas, hrach, tomato, paradajka, zucchini, cuketa, corn, kukurica, eggplant, baklažán, beans, fazula, beetroot, cvikla, olives, olivy, radish, reďkovka. Among the fruits in Slovak ovocie, we have the following: banana, banán, grape, hrozno, watermelon, melon, orange, pomaranč, apple, jablko, lemon, citrón, lime, limetka, cherry, čerešňa, pear, hruška, plum, slivka, peach, broskyňa, strawberry, jahoda, avocado, avocado, blueberries, čučoriedky, raspberry, malina, pineapple, ananas. It's your time to practice. Try to say in Slovak the following fruits and vegetables: potatoes, zemiaky, garlic, cesnak, blueberries, čučoriedky, apple, jablko. Very well done! We hope you enjoyed the lesson. Let us know in the comments what other phrases you would like to study. If you are interested in learning the Slovak language in a modern way, visit our website to learn more about our courses. Continue practicing Slovak with other of our videos, and don't forget to subscribe. See you in the next video. Bye! Ciao!